My name is Samantha Diaz.
My name is Edgar Gonzalez, and I am an Audi brand specialist.
I am a service consultant here at Audi of Rochelle.
Since we've implemented UVeye here at Audi in Rochelle, we've noticed many changes.
We definitely have noticed an increase in sales.
Instead of going out and checking out the vehicle with our pre-owned manager and trying to catch things with the naked eye, we're able to put it through the state-of-the-art inspection machine, which allows us to detect if there's any type of damage.
Especially with older vehicles, which is helpful to us because we can immediately let the customer know
that the tires were up to date and passed the certification for the 301-point inspection.
So it allows me to build a bond with the customer. So if there is something that I do need to mention that needs their attention, it allows me to generate that sale.
So it's not much of a learning curve, and it's pretty straightforward.